Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the UPI payment gateway for WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. Simply, first make sure that you are in your admin panel on WordPress, and now all we need to do is to start searching for a plugin that will enable us to add a gateway for the UPI payments. So now all we need to do is just to go to plugins, and then we will need to add a new one. So simply we just go here and type UPI, and after that we will need just to search for a plugin that will add this gateway to our WooCommerce. So as you can see here, there is already a UPI QR code payments gateway for WooCommerce. So we can just go here and you might find a variety, but make sure that it is always added for WooCommerce. So as you can see, those are other products, etc. So let's just click on install now, and basically we will need just to wait for the plugin to be installed. We activate the plugin here. We click on activate and we wait for the plugin to be activated, and now we have our plugin that is active. So all we need to do now is to have our plugin that is already here. So let's just check for our plugin that we have added, and basically we need to find the UPI, and as you can see you will find it enables a WooCommerce site to accept payment through UPI apps. So if we go to WooCommerce and basically we go for settings, and we go for example for the payments, we will find that we will have our payment gateway as UPI. So let's just check payments, and here we will find all our gateway. So here we have all these ones, and you will need just to start adding the UPI QR code that will be enabled here, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.